Yeah. So, I like the cyberpunk theme. That's why it has this color. And in fact, there's different variations too. And I don't know why it default to the purple one for you guys, but I like if you go into the cyberpunk theme. Sorry, let me start over. So if you go to view and then extensions, which is also Control Shift X, then you can see all the extensions I installed. Power mode, which is really fun. Cyberpunk to make it look different. If you choose set color theme, you can change it to I like the Scarlet Protocol myself. Yeah. Okay, so now go make a new text file. Okay. Yeah, so check this out. I've got some flame effects that are happening when I code, and also there's a combo cooldown in the upper right. See that? Kind of like a fighting game. Because it makes it more fun instead of just looking at a blank white code screen. Makes you more proud of what you're doing. And honestly, it's easier to read too. I mean, the flames in the combo doesn't matter. That's just to give you encouragement. If you go into power mode, you can configure that too. The little gear icon. See, so like maybe Vincent would rather have fireworks instead of flames, or magic. Let's see what that magic looks like. Oh yeah, magic. Extension settings. Don't choose Clippy, that one's horrible. Particles are nice too. Nice and little simple particles. Well, yeah, so view and extensions is where all these guys are. And you can even search for more extensions too.